breaking news coming in. We're learning that the all-party meeting chaired by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has just concluded. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, who chaired this all-party meeting to end the ongoing impasse in Parliament, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, representing the centre at the all-party meeting. In the latest, we're picking up that the all-party meeting has just concluded. We've, of course, seen what has been happening in the Parliament ever since the start of the winter session. Not one day of constructive business. On most days where both the houses of the Parliament have been adjourned after non-stop ruckus, disruptions by the opposition, calling out the Adani issue over and over again, but no constructive arguments to criticize the centre. We've seen that the all-party meeting, pictures of which you are playing out on your screens, has just ended. Let me cut across to Harsha, joining us with the latest. Harsha, how was the matter taken up with all the parties, and what can we expect in the days to come, the remaining days of the winter session of Parliament?
So, Swesha, there's a very big update coming from the Parliament. The Speaker called this all-party meeting where it was attended by all the opposition party floor leaders of all the opposition parties. And we have got to know that finally there was a discussion to end the log jam in the Parliament and to ensure the smooth running of the Parliament from tomorrow. We have got to know from Kiran Rijiju and Arjuna Meghwal, who did a press conference here by clearly stating that from tomorrow there will be the business in the Parliament. Several bills which have been already listed and were to be taken were to be tabled in the last week. Those bills will be tabled tomorrow. The Parliament will function and all the opposition parties have agreed to it. Also, we got to know that Samajwadi Party wants a discussion on the Sambhal issue, and they have been allowed that the time will be given to Samajwadi Party leaders during 0 hours. Swesha, during 0 hours and not the business hours for the discussion on the Sambhal issue have been allowed by the Speaker office and by the Speaker to the Samajwadi Party leaders. And we're getting to know that all the opposition leaders have now agreed that yes, from tomorrow Parliament can function and they all will not be creating any more ruckus and disruption. Also, Kiran Rijiju clearly stated that the crores of money is being wasted every day because of the opposition parties. And after this meeting, we hope that from tomorrow, opposition leaders will not create any ruckus and chaos and disruption in the Parliament. So we have to wait and watch, Swesha, what happens tomorrow. But this was a very fruitful meeting, according to Kiran Rijiju and Arjuna Meghwal, because most of the leaders have agreed that there are several important 0-hour question hours and business which are listed for discussion. So that should be taken up. And one more update which we are getting from this meeting is that the discussion and debate on the Constitution Day has been allowed on 13th and 14th in Lok Sabha and on 16th and 17th in Rajya Sabha. That's a very important thing which we are picking on Saturday. Also, this time the Lok Sabha will commence. It will work because the discussion and debate on Constitution Day will be starting. Back to you.
Continue talking about this, Harsha, because we're also flashing out those details on our screens as to how there will be Samvidhan Day on 13th and 14th of December, where this will be the ongoing discussion in the Lok Sabha, and in Rajya Sabha on 16th and 17th of December. What's expected?
Yes, Swesha. Yes, the breaking which we have right now put on our screen for the viewers to see, because when the 75 years of Constitution was celebrated in the Central Hall, at that time opposition leaders demanded in the Business Advisory Committee that there should be a detailed discussion and debate on the Constitution Day in both the houses of Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Now, today's Speaker has agreed in the meeting, and we have got to know on 13th and 14th of November the discussion on Samvidhan Divas will happen in Lok Sabha, and on 16th and 17th, it will happen in Rajya Sabha. So this was the discussion. This was one of the takeaways from the very important meeting which Speaker chaired today. So this time on Saturday also, the Parliament will commence, the Parliament will run. There will be a discussion. This will be, so this winter session will see the Parliament running and functioning on Saturday also, because 14th is Friday and 15th, because 13th is Friday and 14th is Saturday. So these two dates are very important for the discussion on the Samvidhan in the Lok Sabha, which is the lower house of the Parliament. Back to you.
All right, Harsha, many thanks for getting us those details. So those are the details that Harsha is sharing with us. Firstly, the all-party meet that has just ended. It was chaired by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. And the other important decision, as there will be a discussion on Constitution Day in Lok Sabha.